Good morning, children. Let us resume exercise 11.3 of perimeter and area. Question number 9. Shajli took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into the shape of a circle. Find the radius of that circle. Also find its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its sides? Clear? Which figure encloses more area, the circle or the square? Okay, children. Now this uh, took a wire of length. One wire is there. Wire is like this, children. This is a wire of 44 centimeter. This is 44 centimeter. What is this? This is the wire. Now this wire is bent into the shape of a circle. Clear? This wire, the wire is bent into, clear, in the shape of a circle. So this length of the wire and the circumference, what is this? Circumference of the circle will be same, that is also 44 centimeter. Okay, children. So let us see what is given. Circumference. Here, question number 9. Circumference. What is given, okay, children? What is given? Length of wire. Length of the wire equal to 44 centimeter. And what else is given? Pi equal to 22 by 7. Clear, children? Now according to question. Now according to question. What is there? See, length of, that is circumference of the circle equal to length of wire. Length of wire. What is circumference of the circle? That is your 2 pi r equal to, it is given to be 44 centimeter. Okay, children? It is 44 centimeter. This implies that put the values 2 into 22 by 7 into r we will find out over here from here. Clear? Circle, find the radius of that circle equal to 44. This implies that by cross multiplication, clear, r equal to 44 multiplied by 7 upon 2 into 22. Okay, children. So this is what 21 1 ja 21, 21 2 ja, and this 2 and 2 got cancelled. This implies that r equal to 7 centimeter. Okay, children. So r equal to 7 centimeter, that is radius of the circle. Radius of the circle is clear, we have found out, clear, to be 7 centimeter. Now what else we have to find out? That also find its area. Now area of the circle. Now area of the circle equal to pi r square, that is equal to how much? Pi equal to 22 by 7. It is given r equal to 7 into 7. R square 7 and 7 got cancelled. That is equal to area of the circle equal to what? 22. Here 7 and 7 got cancelled. 7 1 ja 7, 7 1 ja 7. That is 22 multiplied by 7 equal to 7 2 ja 14. 1 is carry over, 7 2 ja 14 and 1 15. That is 154 square centimeter. Okay, children. Now what else that we have to find out? Also find that if the same wire is bent into the shape of a square. Here, children, it was given. What we had to find out. There are several things that we have to find out. That is now it is given that the same wire is bent into a square. The same wire is bent into square. Here its perimeter is same, wire is same, and it is bent into the shape of a square. Now perimeter of the square, perimeter of the square equal to length of wire, length of the wire, and that is given to be 44. Perimeter of the square equal to 4 into side equal to what? Length of the wire, it is given to be 44 centimeter. This implies that side of the square, equal to 44 divided by 4, 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4. That is, this implies that side equal to 11 centimeter. Clear, children? Side of the square is 11 centimeter. Now, what else we have to find out? What will be the length of each of its side? Which figure encloses more area? Means area of the square also now. Now, area of the square. Area of the square. What is the formula? Area of the square equal to side into side. That is, side is square. Side into side equal to, this is 11 into 11, that is 11 11 ja, that is 121 square centimeter. So children, see, your first answer is your radius, your second answer is your area of the circle, your third answer is area of the square. Now the comparison. Now see, if we see the area of square and area of the circle, then we find out that the circle encloses more area. So the circle, which figure encloses more area? This implies that now circle, circle encloses more area than that of square. Why? See, area of circle equal to 154 square centimeter and area of your square equal to 121 square centimeter. Okay, children. So this is your answer final. Now let us move to the next question, that is question number 10, children. What is question number 10? Let us read it out. Question number 10 states that, let's see, from a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter. See, the figure is given in the book, children. From question number 10, let us see. From a circular card sheet, it is given to be like this. Circular card sheet is given. Okay, children. Here, circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter. What is its radius? Radius is given to be 14 centimeter. Okay, 14 centimeter. Two circles of radius 3.5. Two circles of radius 3.5 centimeter. And a rectangle of length 3 centimeter. And a rectangle of, here R equal to, and a rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter. Clear? Are removed as shown in the adjoining figure. Find the area of the remaining sheet. What is given? Given R, radius of the bigger circle. Let it be capital R equal to 3.5 centimeter. From a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter, that is 14 centimeter. Clear? And this and what else is given? Radius of smaller circles. Smaller circles equal to small r. Let it be, this is, it is given that 3.5 centimeter radius each. Clear? Now length and breadth. Length of the rectangle. Length of the rectangle equal to, it is given and a rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth of the rectangle equal to 1 centimeter, that is. Then to find out what else is given, pi equal to 22 by 7, that is also given. Then you have to find out what we have to find out, area of the remaining sheet, area of the remaining sheet. Okay children, so let us see now children, how will you find out the area of the remaining sheet? Now children, area of the remaining means rest of, area of the remaining sheet equal to what, area of bigger circle, area of bigger circle minus what, area to multiply by, since two smaller circles are there, that is 2 multiply by area of a smaller circle, clear, plus area of rectangle. Okay children, now put the values over here. Equal area of the bigger circle means that will be what, pi r square minus 2 into area of the smaller circle, that is 2 into pi r square, plus area of the rectangle. What is the area of the rectangle? That is L into B. Clear children? What is L? L equal to 3 centimeter. Now put the value over here, that is, say this is pi, put the values over here, that is 2, this is pi r square, and this is now multiplied, this is pi r square minus let it be put it over here, that is pi equal to 22 by 7 into r, capital R equal to 14 into 14, clear, minus 2 into 22 by 7 multiply by what is small r, that is small r equal to 3.5, 3.5 multiply by 3.5 children, and this is plus is there, plus length into breadth, that is 3 into 1, clear. Now children, let us simplify it, equal to 7 1 is 7, 2 is 14, that is, what is this, that is your 22 multiply by 2, that is what, 44 multiply by 14, clear, minus this is, what is this, this is 7 1 is 7, 7 0 0, and 7 5 is 35. So what is this, this is your it will be 22 multiply by 2, that is 44 multiply by, this is 0.5 multiply by 5 is how much, that is 5 5 is 5 5 is 25, 2 is carry over, 5 3 is 15, and 2 17, and number of decimal places 1 2, that is 1.75. Let us see once again, 5 5 is 25, 2 is carry over, 5 3 is 15, and 2 15 and 2 17, number of decimal places 2, that is 1.75, plus this is 3 1 is 3. Okay children, now multiply it, 14 4 is 56, and this 5 is carry over, 14 4 is 56, 56 and 5, that is 61, that is 61, 616, minus what is this, let us multiply it, 1.75, 1.75 multiply by 44, what will be there, 4 5 is 20, 2 is carry over, 4 7 is 28, and 2 30, 0 is there, 3 is carry over, 4 1 is 4, and 3, that is 7. Once again, 4 5 is 20, 2 is carry over, 4 7 is 28, and 2 30, 3 is carry over, 4 1 is 4, and 3 7. Again this is 700, 0 0 and 7. What will be its sum? That is 0 0 7 and 7. Number of decimal places 1 2, that is 1 2, this is now 77, equal to, this is 77 plus 3 equal to what, this is 616 minus 77 plus 3 equal to, that is 80. Okay children, now this is equal to equal to 616. Now you can subtract it. 6 minus 0 equal to 6, and this is now 11 minus 8 equal to 3. Clear? And this is, it remains 536. This is the area of the remaining sheet equal to 536 square centimeter. Okay, children. So area of the remaining sheet is 536 square centimeter. What is this? This is the area of the remaining card sheet equal to, this is your answer. Children, here see, your master formula must be very clear. What is the master formula? That is area of the remaining sheet equal to area of the bigger circle minus 2 into area of the smaller circle plus area of area of your area of the rectangle. So this two questions we have seen. Now let us see question number 11. What is it about? Question number 11, this is easy question. A circle of radius 2 cm is cut out from a square piece of an aluminium sheet. Let us see this also. Question number 11. Question number 11. Question number 11 states that a circle of radius 2 cm is cut out from a square piece. There is a square piece of an aluminum sheet. This is an aluminum sheet. Aluminum sheet of side 6 cm. This is 6. This is also 6. This is also 6. Clear? And a circle of radius 2 cm is cut out. A circle of radius 2 cm is cut out from here. Now we have to find out. What? Here r equal to 2. We have to find out what is the area of the leftover aluminum sheet here. What is given? Side of the square sheet. Side of the square sheet. Square sheet equal to 6 cm. And that is radius of the circle equal to 2 cm. Okay, children. Now what we have to find? We have to find out, children. We have to find out the area. One more thing is there. That is pi. This time we have to take 3.14 only. What we have to find out? The area of the leftover sheet. To find the area of the leftover sheet. What is the area of the leftover sheet? Okay, this implies that now area of the leftover sheet, leftover means remaining, leftover sheet equal to area of the square minus area of the circle. Okay, children. So what is the area of the square? Formula for area of a square, that is side into side, that is side into side minus area of the circle, that is pi r square. Okay, children. So put the values side into side. Side is given to be 6 square, that is 6 multiplied by 6, minus pi is given to be 3.14 into r is given to be 2 cm, that is 2 multiplied by 2. Now solve it out. That is 6 6 are 36 minus this is 2 2 are 4. This is 3.14 multiplied by 4 equal to what is this? 36 minus 4 4 are 16. 1 is carry over. 4 1 are 4 and 1 5. Clear? And 4 3 are 12. That is this is 56 and this is 12. Let us multiply it once again. 4 4 are 16. 1 is carry over. 4 1 are 4 and 1 5. Then 4 3 are 12. Number of decimal places 2. That is 12.56. So 36 minus 12.56. How to subtract it? You must be knowing 36.00 has to be subtracted. 12.56 has to be subtracted from 36. 12.56 10 minus 6 equal to 4, and this is 9 minus 5 equal to 4, and this is 5 minus 2 equal to 3. Clear? And this is now 3 minus 1 equal to 2. Equal to what? Area of the leftover sheet. Area of the leftover sheet equal to, this is 23.44. Okay children, that is, this is equal to 23.44 square centimeter, and this is your answer. Right children? Now this let us see question number 12. Also you can do it yourself. The circumference of a circle is given to be 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and the area of the circle. Circumference, that is 2 pi r equal to what? 31.4. From here you can see here pi equal to 3.14 you have to take. Here, from here you can find out the radius, and once the radius is found out, you can find out the circle. So area of the circle. So question number 12 is homework. 13 is a circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. Clear? A circular flower bed is surrounded by a path 4 meter wide. The diameter of the flower bed is 66 meter. What is the area of this path? So here, see children, here question number 13, here two circles are there, two concentric circles are there, means two circles with the same center, clear, and different radii. Here children, here two circles with the same radii are given. Okay children. Now this children, see rest of the questions we will take up in the next class. Clear? That is question number 12 we have taken now up to question number 12. Here question number 13, how will you find out? See, area of the bigger circle minus area of the smaller circle. Clear? And this you will find out the answer. Okay children, thank you and have a nice day.